Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. My name is Afshan. I am a lesson instructor and trainer. Information in details and clear. Practice is must for success in any test and good learning. So try again for any learning, for any study, any work. Don't feel disheartened. Do not think lose your target. If you have hope for success for your any task. If you feel lost, so do not achieve your targets. Today we discuss parts of speech, the second part of parts of speech. List 8 parts of speech in English: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. All the parts of speech describe and explain one by one. Already we described the 3 parts of speech. What is parts of speech? A parts of speech, also called a word class, is a category that describes the role word plays in a sentence. Understanding the different parts of speech can help you analyze how words function in a sentence and improve your writing. Because without parts of speech do not make sentences. Verbs are words used for saying something about the activity for a person or thing. वो अल्फाज जो किसी शख्स, जगह या चीज़ की सरगर्मियों अमल को ज़ाहिर करें फेल कहलाते हैं. We use any word, we use any target, we use any make sentences. Without verbs, we do not complete our sentences, our targets, because verb called action, like write, speak, stand, listen, hear, walk, jump, read. For example, Praveen goes to college. Goes, this is action. He writes a letter. His action writes. The thief run away. Run, this is thief action. Adverb. Adverb are words used to qualify, add something to the meaning of a word, and adjective are the adverbs. वो अल्फाज जो किसी फेल या इसम से या दूसरे मुतल्लिक़ात फेल को किसी खसूसियत को ज़ाहिर करें, उनके माइंड को मज़ीद वाज़ेह करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करें, मुतालिक फेल कहलाती हैं, लाइक एडवर्ब कहलाते हैं. Adverb shows the action, shows the quality of verb. For example, he runs fast. Runs fast. Describe the fast. Fast is adverb. It was a highly virtuous act. Highly is a action adverb. The thief ran very fast. Preposition. The word preposition means that which is placed before. Preposition are words which are placed before a noun or pronoun and to see its relation with other noun or pronoun or thing. वो अल्फाज जो किसी इसम या इसम ज़मीर से पहले इसलिए इस्तेमाल किए जाएं कि उनका ताल्लुक़ किसी दूसरे इसम से ना हो. किसी दूसरे इसम ज़मीर या चीज़ से ज़ाहिर किया जाए हरूफ़ जार कहलाता है. For example, the book is on the table. On, this is preposition. A conjunction. Conjunction is a word which joins together words, clauses and sentences. ऐसे अल्फाज जो किसी लफ्ज़ को एक दूसरे लफ्ज़ या एक क्लॉज को दूसरे क्लॉज और एक फ़िक्रे को दूसरे फ़िक्रे से मिलाएं हरूफ़ अत्फ़ कहलाते हैं, लाइक ए कंजक्शन कहलाते हैं. When we make sentence and make sentence the part of two sentences like two clauses, so we join the second clause use in any conjunction within sentence after the one clause. Sometimes we use different type of clauses like Aslam and Akram are brothers. So we use the both of the words. He is sad. An interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses some certain feelings of mind. वो अल्फाज जो किसी ज़हनी या जज्बाती कैफियत को ज़ाहिर करें इंटरजेक्शन कहलाते हैं. Interjection mean hurrah, ah, alas, happy, sad, and joy, and feel excitement and like surprising any person. With sentence, alas, I have lost my watch. Hurrah, I have won the prize. स्टूडेंट पहले फ़िक्रे में हुर्रा और दूसरे में अलास खुशी और गम की जज्बात या ज़हनी कैफियत को ज़ाहिर करते हैं, लिहाजा इनको इंटरजेक्शन कहते हैं. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.